If you're a small to mid-sized business owner that is grappling with the complexities of accounting and tax compliance while trying to balance the core business functions to maintain or grow your business, then it may be time for you to considering outsourcing your accounting and tax department. In this video, I'm going to give you 5 compelling reasons why that might be one of the best business decisions you could make. The first benefit of outsourcing your accounting and tax department is that it is a very cost-effective solution for your business. If you hire an in-house person, you have to consider things like the wages that have to be competitive for this person. You also have to consider the different benefits that you need to offer this person in order to recruit and retain the employee. And you have to buy the accounting software that the accountant or tax professional is going to be using on a day-to-day basis. And there's also something that is not often mentioned, which is the lost productivity cost. That means that the hourly rate outweighs the time it takes for you to complete the needs that are necessary for the business. In most cases, unless you reach a certain level of production or certain size, hiring a full-time accounting and tax professional may not be the most efficient use of your dollars. However, if you outsource your accounting and tax needs, you actually might be only paying for the services that your business requires at that time, and you could progressively change that as your business grows. Those outsourced firms have different pricing models that are tailored to your specific needs. Essentially, you will be getting the most bang for your buck. The second benefit of outsourcing your accounting and tax department is that it makes more efficient use of your employees' time and of your time. If you hire an in-house person, you might create a new position or a new department that now has to micromanage that work. In the case of a small business owner that is a one-man show, that might just mean that you have to be directly responsible for micromanaging the back-end work like accounting and tax compliance, which, as you may or may not know, could be a huge distraction for the day-to-day operations of your business to operate or to maintain and to potentially grow your business. The third benefit of outsourcing your accounting and tax department is that it greatly reduces turnover, which is something that affects every single business, especially when considering employees or professionals that are in the accounting and tax profession. It costs a lot of money to hire or recruit and to train an employee and to retain the employee as well. This is something that is completely avoided when you outsource your accounting and tax department because it alleviates the burden of having to go through that in the first place. The fourth benefit of outsourcing your accounting and tax department is that it creates on-demand access to experienced professionals that are ready to help. In the case of hiring an in-house person, what happens if they take a vacation day or a sick day off? They may not be able to provide the necessary support that you need, and that could be a problem during times of tax deadlines or quarterly deadlines. If you're a type of business that requires consistent accounting and tax support, then that might be the best route for you. In the case of an outsourced firm, if your account representative is not available, they'll typically have another coworker or another team member answer your questions and make sure that all of your questions and needs are met. The fifth benefit and final reason why you should be outsourcing your accounting and tax department is that the moment that you hire an outsourced accounting and tax firm, the owner or the partner immediately has more skin in the game. That means that they become a stakeholder in your business's success. As you become more successful, they'll have more work and more opportunities to grow themselves. It's a win-win scenario. Both internal and outsourced accounting and tax professionals are motivated to work hard. However, their level of intensity, their level of attention and engagement is totally different and varies immensely and should be appreciated. On one hand, you have an employee that is working 9 to 5, is just being paid to do a certain level of task for those level of times, and that's about it. While the other person has to focus on making sure that their success and their reputation is built upon a reputable and good service provided to you as a business owner. This interest alignment means that you'll be able to receive top-notch service and the best possible results on your accounting and tax compliance. From cost savings to increased efficiency to access to talent, the benefits are evident. If you'd like to know more on how My.CPA can help you with your accounting and tax needs for your business, you can give us a call at this phone number, shoot us an email at this email address, or leave a comment in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to walk you through the rest.